Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the channel. You ever wish you could wake up feeling not just rested, but actually stronger than when you went to bed? Imagine that feeling of renewed vitality each morning. Well, good news. Tonight, your muscles can do just that. It's not magic, it's science. I'm talking about food that rebuilds your muscles while you sleep, turning your rest time into a productive period for your body. Yes, really. Let's turn bedtime into the best part of your day, a time not just for relaxation, but for active muscle recovery and growth. Now, we all know staying active keeps us feeling young and vibrant. Regular exercise is key to maintaining muscle mass and overall health as we age. But did you know what you eat before bed can give those hard-working muscles an extra boost, maximizing the benefits of your daily activities? Let's dive in and explore the delicious ways you can support your muscles overnight. First up, cottage cheese. This unassuming dairy product is a powerhouse of muscle-building potential. Sounds simple, right? It's readily available and easy to incorporate into your diet. But cottage cheese is packed with casein protein, a type of protein that's particularly beneficial for overnight muscle recovery. That's a slow-digesting protein, which means it fuels your muscles all night long, providing a sustained release of amino acids while you sleep. Just a small bowl before bed and your body's got the building blocks it needs while you catch those Z's, ensuring optimal muscle repair and growth. Next, eggs, a true nutritional champion. They're not just for breakfast. Eggs are a versatile and convenient source of protein that can be enjoyed any time of day. Boil one or two and eat them as an evening snack. It's a simple way to boost your protein intake before bed. Eggs are full of amino acids, the little heroes that help repair and grow muscle tissue, contributing to overall strength and mobility. Plus, eggs fill you up without weighing you down, making them a perfect light snack before bed. Now, if you fancy something sweet but still healthy, grab a handful of almonds. Almonds are rich in magnesium, which helps your muscles relax and recover, reducing cramps and promoting restful sleep. They've got protein and healthy fats too, all working together to keep your muscles happy while you sleep and contribute to overall well-being. Don't forget Greek yogurt. This creamy treat is another excellent choice for a pre-bedtime snack. It's loaded with protein and calcium, two essential nutrients for muscle and bone health. The protein helps rebuild muscle overnight, and the calcium keeps your bones strong, supporting your overall physical structure. Top it with a few berries for extra flavor and vitamins, adding a boost of antioxidants to your nightly routine. Here's one that might surprise you: turkey. This lean protein source is more than just a Thanksgiving staple. A slice or two makes a great bedtime snack, providing a healthy dose of protein without excessive calories. Turkey has tryptophan, which helps you sleep by promoting relaxation, and it's high in lean protein to support muscle rebuild overnight, making it a win-win for your body. And finally, stay hydrated. Water is essential for countless bodily functions, including muscle repair. A glass of water before bed keeps your muscles working at their best, ensuring they have the fluids they need to recover and rebuild. Dehydration slows everything down, including muscle repair, hindering your body's ability to recover effectively. So, what's the secret to waking up stronger and more refreshed? It's simple, really. It's about making smart choices that support your body's natural processes. Give your body the right fuel, and it'll do the hard work while you rest, optimizing muscle recovery and growth. Think of it as a nighttime investment in your health, one that pays off every morning with increased energy and vitality. If you start working these foods into your evening routine, you'll notice it. The positive effects will become increasingly apparent over time. More strength, allowing you to perform daily activities with greater ease, better recovery, reducing muscle soreness and fatigue after exercise, and a brighter start to every single day, filled with energy and enthusiasm. And remember, it's never too late to start prioritizing your health and well-being. So tonight, treat yourself to a little snack and let your muscles do the rest, working diligently while you sleep. Here's to stronger mornings and happy days ahead. Embrace the power of nutrition to enhance your life. Sleep well, knowing you're taking care of your body. Eat smart, fueling your muscles for optimal recovery. Stay active, maintaining your strength and vitality. You've got this. You have the power to improve your health and well-being every single day.